Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rebecca Jamir and I make food videos. Well, after a month, I'm here with another video. I hope you're all doing well. Well, I was busy in other work, so I couldn't make any videos. But this morning I was thinking that I will make a video, and coincidentally I found something which is very rare in Gurgaon, especially the place where I'm staying. So I was so happy that I found that, and today I'm going to make it and I'm going to share it with you also. So I hope that you will like it. So let's see what I found. I found these yam leaves, taro leaves. See this. It's not like how we get it in Nagaland in Northeast, but at least I got this. And the stem, actually I've separated the leaves and the stem. I'm going to make this, and the stem I'm going to dry it under the sun. So today I'm going to make this recipe. Let's start our cooking. I'm adding water. Four small size of potatoes. I've cut it in this shape. Green chilies, it's up to you how many chilies you want to use. Medium size 2 tomatoes. And salt. We'll let the tomatoes, chilies and potatoes cook nicely. Cover it, and after 10 minutes we'll see. Well, by the time we will cut this, if it's sunny, just in 1 day it will dry. Otherwise, like if it's not so sunny, then within 2 days it will dry. It will take to dry. See this, we have to cut in this shape. While you're cutting the stems or the leaves and the yam, if it itches your hand, then you have to wash it by hot water. So guys, my cutting is done. See, it's in very small pieces. Now my hands are itching. So if your hands are itching while cutting yam, then wash it in hot water, and then all that itchiness will go. Let's check our main recipe. Okay, the chilies and tomatoes are cooked. I'll take it out and I will corn it. Chilies are done. Now I'm going to take out the tomatoes. It's done. I'm going to put it back. Let's check the potatoes if it's cooked properly or not. So the potatoes are also cooked properly. I'll add bamboo shoot. As I'm running out of bamboo shoot, so I'm going to add only little bit of bamboo shoot. Just this much. As I'm using just little bit of bamboo shoot, I'm going to add lemon also. It will also give you the taste of bamboo shoot. I don't know when I will be visiting Nagaland again. I hope very soon I will be visiting. So by the time I have to adjust, just little bit of bamboo shoot and plus lemon. So this is done. So what we'll do, it's very big size, so just tear it. If it's just small size, you can just add like this. In between I got a call from my mom, and I told my mom that today I got kuchuka leaves. She was also shocked that how comes you got kuchuka leaves in Gurgaon. I said it's very rare, but thank God today I got it. And it was good that my mom called just now. She taught me one tip, that after adding the leaves, don't stir it, because she was saying that it will itch a lot. So after adding the leaves, just let it boil by itself, just let it cook by itself. It's too hot in Gurgaon. So this is done. I'm going to cover it and I will let it cook by itself. Remember, don't stir it. This is the fermented dry fish. I've already roasted it. If you're free to cook fermented dry fish, so you can add it in the beginning. But as you all know that I cannot cook fermented dry fish here, so I always do this. Add this hot water here and we'll soak it for some time and cover it. Let's see. Oh, so I'm going to stir it just once. Okay, that's enough. And we'll cover it. Okay guys, we'll give it a good stir. Okay, I think that will be fine. Still the water is there, we'll make it dry. So guys, it's already dry, so I'm going to add this dry fish. Then at last, garlic. Give it a mix. Now our recipe is done for today. So guys, this is the recipe for today. I'm going to test it. It's so good. I added only little bit of bamboo shoot, but as I have added the lemon, so I'm getting the taste of bamboo shoot also, like together it's so good. And thank God at the right time my mom called me and she told me that right after adding the taro leaves, don't stir it, just let it boil properly. After it only you should stir it. So thank God. Really in cooking, mothers really help. So guys, this is so good and I hope that you like it. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and hit the notification icon, so whenever I'm uploading a new video you get the notification. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope that very soon I will come with a new video. Bye, see you in the next video.